9Investigates, a bumpy ride on flights. In most cases, turbulence is a minor discomfort, but severe cases can certainly send passengers and crew to the hospital. As Channel 9's climate reporter Michelle Alfini explains, researchers say changes in our atmosphere mean we can probably expect more turbulence.
It's a fact of flying. Some rides are bumpier than others.
I do handle it pretty well. My wife does not.
Turbulence is a sudden and rapid change in airflow. In most cases, it's just a little jolting. But sometimes...
The stewardess beside us fell to the ground, and then we hit a major turbulence, which was petrifying. And she was literally like Matrix, watched her go up in the air and just land straight down.
In July, severe turbulence on Allegiant Flight 227 out of Asheville sent 2 passengers and 2 crew members to the hospital.
Other people were coming in off that were fine, but they were crying and hugging each other.
According to Chip Conrad, the director of NOAA's Southeast Regional Climate Center, incidents like this are rare but concerning, especially given research atmospheric turbulence is on the rise.
He looked at the actual atmosphere and identified basically the situations that are highly correlated with turbulence.
Research out of the University of Reading found over the past 40 years, models show a 55% increase in clear air turbulence, particularly around the North American jet stream. Their hypothesis is that atmospheric warming is strengthening wind shear. Conrad, however, is hoping to see more evidence.
I think it's in there, but I think it takes a lot to disentangle it.
Fortunately, turbulence can be pretty predictable. Pilots are in constant communication to navigate around severe cases of it. But sometimes, turbulence can come out of nowhere.
It happens sometimes over very small areas, over real short time periods. That aspect of it can be very difficult, if impossible to forecast.
That's often the case with clear air turbulence. It can happen without clouds or storms, and often pilots rely on each other's reports to avoid it.
It's a place where you wouldn't expect it, and the winds themselves are invisible, so you can't see them.
Fortunately for passengers, there's a simple way to protect ourselves. If your seatbelt is on and loose items are secure, your risk of injury goes way down. And no matter how scary turbulence can get, the chance of it causing a crash is next to zero.
I always look at the flight attendants' faces. If they're not scared, then I'm not scared.
In Charlotte, Michelle Alfini, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Out of millions of commercial flights since 2009, the FAA reports 163 serious turbulence injuries. Crew members, who are more than likely to be in the aisles and not buckled up at times, account for roughly 80% of those injuries.